In just 3 days, you can start to see the fruits of what you visualized, turning your deepest desires into your present reality. This method isn't just about hoping or wishing, it's about harnessing the power of your mind to influence the world around you. Visualization is more than a practice, it's a skill that you can develop and refine to manifest anything you desire. By understanding and applying the principles laid out in this method, you'll discover just how quickly you can align your internal visions with your external experiences. Visualization is the process of creating vivid and specific mental images of your desired outcomes. It's like painting a picture in your mind, except this picture has the potential to translate into reality. The effectiveness of visualization lies in its ability to foster a deep connection between what you see in your mind's eye and what you aim to bring into your life. This connection is not merely about seeing but feeling. When you visualize, you're not just observing a distant dream, you're experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with that dream as if it were real right now. The science behind visualization is robust, supporting its efficacy with evidence that the brain patterns activated when visualizing an action are similar to those activated when performing the action. This means that when you visualize, your brain is training for actual performance. For instance, athletes use visualization regularly to improve their physical performance without being on the field or court. They aren't just idly daydreaming but engaging in a focused, purposeful process that prepares their minds and bodies for success. Effective visualization requires more than fleeting thoughts or half-hearted daydreams. It demands clarity, precision, and a vividness that can be felt. To start, you must define what you want to achieve with as much detail as possible. This clarity will not only enhance the quality of your visualization but will also increase your emotional attachment to the outcome, making the imagined reality feel more attainable. The emotional component of visualization cannot be overstated. It is the emotional charge that gives power to your visualized thoughts, acting as a catalyst in their manifestation. The stronger your emotions, the more real the visualization feels, and the quicker your external world begins to align with your internal vision. It's essential to cultivate positive emotions like joy, excitement, and gratitude as you visualize, as these emotions signal to your mind that the outcome is not only desired but welcomed. Before you start on the 3-day visualization method, preparing your mind is crucial. This preparation involves creating a mental environment where positive, constructive images can thrive. Start by clearing out mental clutter. Negative thoughts, doubts, and fears can cloud your vision and weaken your resolve. Engage in activities that promote mental clarity and calm, such as meditation or journaling. These practices help settle your mind and enhance your focus, making it easier to form clear, potent visualizations. Belief in the possibility of your desire manifesting is fundamental. Without belief, visualization is just a daydream. Cultivating belief might require you to challenge and change long-held limiting beliefs about what you can achieve or deserve. Affirmations can be incredibly helpful in this regard. These short, powerful statements reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires and keep your mind focused on your goals rather than your doubts. Another key aspect of preparing your mind is setting intentions. Intentions are not just about what you want to occur, they are commitments to yourself to actively engage in the mental practices that will lead to the manifestation of your desires. By setting a clear intention, you direct your mental energy towards the desired outcome, enhancing the effectiveness of your visualization. The preparation of your mind is both the foundation and the building block of effective visualization. Without a clear, calm, and focused mind, the images you create may lack the power to manifest in the physical world. But with the right mental groundwork, your visualization practice will become more than just a routine, it will become a powerful tool in creating the life you've always wanted. The first day of the 3-day method focuses on defining and refining the image of what you want to manifest. Start the day with a meditation session to clear your mind and focus your intentions. Then, dedicate some time to vividly picture your desired outcome. Close your eyes and construct a detailed mental scene of your goal. What does it look like? How do you feel? What are the sounds around you? The more detailed your visualization, the more real it feels. This day is about depth and detail. The clearer the mental image, the stronger the impression it leaves on your subconscious mind. Write down everything you visualize with as much detail as possible. This act of writing helps to solidify your vision and serves as a reference for the coming days. As you write, focus on the emotions associated with your vision. Happiness, success, peace, whatever it is you're seeking to manifest, try to feel those emotions deeply as you visualize. This detailed approach not only enhances the quality of your visualization but also deepens your emotional connection to the outcome. The emotions you feel during visualization are powerful attractors. They are the energy that fuels the manifestation process. By the end of the first day, you should have a clear, detailed, and emotionally charged vision of your desired outcome. This structured approach to visualization over 3 days sets the stage for rapid manifestation. By focusing on clarity, emotional depth, and consistency, you harness the full potential of your mental powers to transform your visions into reality. On the second day of the method, the focus shifts to reinforcement through positive affirmations that relate directly to your visualization. After establishing a vivid, detailed image on the first day, it's crucial to reinforce that image with statements that affirm its reality. Begin the day by revisiting the mental images you created and wrote down. Read through them slowly, allowing each detail to solidify in your mind's eye once more. Following this review, construct affirmations that align with your visualized goals. These should be positive, present tense statements that confirm the achievement of your desires, such as "I am living in abundance and joy" or "I am successfully achieving my goals." Repeat these affirmations multiple times throughout the day. This repetition not only reinforces the mental images but also strengthens your belief in their realization. It's crucial that these affirmations are congruent with the visualizations from day one, as consistency is key to their effectiveness. Throughout this day, focus on maintaining the emotional intensity from the first day. Every time you recite an affirmation, try to evoke the same positive emotions associated with your visualizations. This emotional recharging is vital as it keeps the momentum going and continues to communicate to your subconscious that these desires are not only possible but are already in process. The combination of clear, consistent visualization and powerful affirmations prepares your mind and spirit for the manifestation process, setting the groundwork for actualization. The final day of the 3-day visualization method centers on sealing the process with gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful frequency that not only elevates your mood but also attracts more of what you are thankful for into your life. It shifts your perspective from one of lacking to one of abundance, which is essential for manifesting. Begin day 3 by expressing genuine gratitude for the mental images you have cultivated and the feelings they evoke. Recognize the work your mind and emotions have done in this process, and be thankful for their capacity to shape your reality. Spend some time writing down things you are grateful for, specifically focusing on aspects of your life that relate to your visualization. For example, if you are visualizing success in a project, express gratitude for the progress made so far and for the skills and opportunities that have led you there. This practice should not just be about what you are hoping to manifest but should also acknowledge the attributes and achievements that are already present in your life. Incorporate this attitude of gratitude into your affirmations. Modify them to include statements of thankfulness, such as "I am grateful for my abundant success and the joy it brings me." By doing this, you reinforce the belief that the outcomes you desire are inevitable and are on their way to you. This belief is crucial because it aligns your vibration with the reality of receiving, which is key to the law of attraction. Spend a quiet moment in reflection on the process you've undergone. Acknowledge the shift in your mindset from the first to the third day and recognize the power you hold within you to create and alter your reality through focused thought and emotion. This reflection solidifies your commitment to the visualization process and prepares you to receive and recognize the manifestations as they begin to materialize in your life. While you engage in the practice of visualization, it's natural to encounter certain obstacles that can hinder the process. Awareness and preparation to handle these hurdles are crucial for maintaining the efficacy of your visualization efforts. One common challenge is the emergence of doubt. Doubt can creep in and cloud your mental imagery, weakening the emotional connection you've built with your desires. To combat this, it's important to reaffirm your belief system continually. Each time a doubt arises, Counter it with a positive affirmation that reinforces your confidence in the visualization process. Another obstacle is impatience, which can stem from a desire to see immediate results. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it works within the laws of the universe, which require time and the right conditions for things to manifest. Cultivate patience by reminding yourself that everything comes at the perfect time. Engage in daily meditation to cultivate a state of mindfulness, which helps in appreciating the present moment while calmly anticipating the future. Maintaining focus can also be challenging, especially when the demands of daily life vie for your attention. To ensure your visualization practice remains undisturbed, designate a specific time and place for it. This consistency creates a routine that signals to your mind it's time to focus solely on your goals. Use techniques like guided imagery through audio recordings or scripted meditation to help keep your mind centered and less prone to wandering. To make the most of the visualization techniques you've learned, it's beneficial to integrate them into your daily routine. This integration ensures that visualization becomes more than just an occasional practice, it becomes a part of your everyday life. Start by identifying moments in your day that lend themselves to brief sessions of visualization. Early morning, just before you start your day, or late evening, as you wind down, are ideal times. Use transitional moments throughout the day for mini visualization sessions. For instance, while waiting in line or during a commute, instead of letting your mind wander aimlessly, use that time to reinforce your visualizations. These brief sessions can be remarkably effective, especially when they occur frequently and consistently. Another way to integrate visualization into your daily life is to create visual reminders of your goals. Use images, vision boards, or written statements placed in strategic locations around your home or workspace. These reminders serve as cues to engage in your visualization practice and keep your goals top of mind. While we end the video of the 3-day visualization method, remember that the power to manifest your desires lies within you. The clarity of your vision, the strength of your beliefs, and the depth of your emotions are all pivotal in bringing your desires to fruition. Visualization is not just about seeing what you want but also about aligning yourself emotionally and spiritually with those desires. Encourage yourself to begin this 3-day method today. Take it as a challenge, an experiment, or a journey to discovering just how capable you are of shaping your reality. Trust in the process, commit to the practice, and watch as the world around you begins to align with the visions you've so powerfully created in your mind. Your ability to manifest your desires is only as strong as your belief in the possibility of their achievement. Start now, and let your mind's eye guide you to the realization of your dreams.